Nate, you showed me this product from James Hardy, and I'm not a cider, but apparently ciders need to use exact color caulking so they can, match the caulking to the siding because it comes, pre-finished. What is this stuff about? You showed this to me.
Yeah, so this is just an example of a touch-up paint, right? So when you get your siding drop, a lot of times it'll come with touch-up paint such that you can fix any shipping imperfections or nail holes or anything like that. This goes perfectly into our exact color product where you just take a little bit of this, shoot it in, mix it up, and you can match any color with that touch-up paint.
So ciders will typically, if you're James Hardy siding and it comes out like this is Country Lane Red, that's the touch-up paint, for the siding. You can just add some of this touch-up paint to the exact color sealant and have caulking now that matches exact.
It's going to be Country Lane Red.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing, and you don't have to order tons of it. You don't. You can simply buy if you only need 1 tube. You can get 1 tube done and made
right.
Instantly. I think it's literally 30 seconds of mixing. I think 30 minutes setup time, and then you can start using it. So that fast, you've got caulking that matches your siding. So Nate, another question I have. It shows right here. A stain product. So if you're a cabinet, maker or cabinet refinisher, can you actually add stain to exact color?
You can. So any water-based stain can go in here. So you want to stay away from oil-based, right? It'll be like oil and water. You won't get it in. But if it says emulsion on there, you can make semi-transparent stains. You basically just want to use about half the amount of paint, right? So if you're doing stain, you want to use about 10 or 15 milliliters to make sure that it stays semi-transparent like that.
Yeah, so where you have corner, if you got seams and stuff, now there's a gap that doesn't look nice, you can actually put stain in your exact color. You can match your cabinetry, and I also see you can actually even do it with granite or tile. So even with metallics, right?
Yeah, we put in a water-based metallic paint there, right, to make a really cool accent effect.
And I think where I think that would come into play, I actually have a bathroom that has a granite backsplash and then has a granite countertop, and that seam, that 90-degree seam, it cracked, probably within a year because it was just grouted and there's going to be some movement right there. I can actually just color match that and put that right in the caulking and caulk that instead of grouting, right?
Yeah, that's going to be great because it's designed to move, right? So you won't get that crack.